The more I talk about Pangea, the more I realize some of y'all don't actually know what Pangea is. So today, let me learn you something. Around 335 million years ago was our most recent supercontinent. It had 90 to 95% of Earth's continental crust and land formations inside of it, and that was called Pangea. Pangea looked completely different from what we have on our regular continents today. There was a huge desert that stretched across the middle of Pangea because most of that never really reached huge bodies of water. There was a huge forest around the outside of Pangea, and there were some rivers that stretched across this continent. The animals across Pangea are unlike what we have today. Early dinosaurs started to evolve. There were giant reptiles, huge crocodile species, and a lot of these species are long been extinct. So how did we get where we are today? Well, around 200 million years ago, Pangea started to split into two supercontinents. There was Laurasia, and then there was Gondwana. It basically did a right there. Over the course of 100 million years after Laurasia and Gondwana were their own separate entities, North America started to separate from the European countries, South America broke off from Africa, India broke off from this whole mess and crashed into Asia, which formed the Himalayas, leaving Australia and Antarctica to float towards their own sort of area of the Earth. The evidence is still here around the planet. As you can see, these are the Appalachian Mountains right here. Everything in brown, though, was all one huge mountain range at one point when the continents were connected. So why does Pangea even matter? Well, it is a constant reminder that the Earth is still changing even today. The continents themselves are moving at a pace at the same rate that your fingernails grow. Geologically, though, it explains a lot about the planet, why certain fossils are found on different continents that are separated by oceans, but they are the same species. It explains a lot about how earthquakes occur and how volcanoes have naturally occurred on the planet. And the craziest part is that Earth will see another supercontinent in the future. In around 200 to 300 million years, there will be another formation of the Earth's crust that is stuck together. These are the potential names of the new continent that we will see in the future. So this is your reminder that the Earth that we stand on is not fixed. Our baby girl is changing constantly whenever she wants. She does what she wants. And the next time we nerd out together, now you will know what Pangea is.